Hi, and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to check your website to see if it's mobile friendly, because obviously there's nothing worse than building your website first off and then finding out that it don't actually fit on a mobile phone or say iPad. So to do that, what you'll need to do obviously is log into your editor. And then when you've done that, if you look down in the bottom left hand corner, you'll see these three dots. If you click on there, and then if you look across, you can then see preview, click on that. And then this previews the window of the page that you are editing. And if you go up to these three dots and click here, you can see that you can select mobile, iPad, and then desktop. Obviously we're in desktop. So if I click on mobile phone, and then what you can do is just quickly check that everything's fitting in the right place on the actual phone. And then also if we come back, we can check it on an iPad, see how it looks. And then obviously we're editing in the desktop. So that's just a quick way to find out to see if your website is mobile friendly. And just before I go, I've just added this page here for you as a beginner. So you'll know I talk a lot about header 1, which is the top blocked that you add to your web page, and actually how you need your description to be between 150 to 160. And I normally send you off to the word counter tool, but what I've done to make it easier for you, I've added these two tools here. And what I'll do is I'll show you on the next video how you can actually use these tools to make building your website as a beginner a lot easier. Anyway, thanks for being here. Again, like I say, if you're not subscribed, then please do, or just give me a thumbs up, as you know that just helps the channel. Anyway, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.